Want to like some pork?
No,
Okay.
this is the vegetarian corner.
All
No, this is the vegetarian corner. Only me.
She has. The good Sardarni that she is.
I know. I told this friend of mine that I'm going to go up to Pakistan.
Not bad.
Since Judge 6, I'm a judge, so there are judges in Pakistan. I have relatives, so you guys don't like me. I cannot
There's non-veg also. I
But
But
you're
you're
not
not
enough.
Congress, Raj. I could have gone to
I'll avoid
Pakistan, but you know. Okay. Oh, guys, you know what to say.
Well done. And like there is not enough place in Pakistan, and actually they won't be able to deal with us either.
Bamboo green is dried fish in it.
No,
What is this? Yeah.
Who made the pork?
What is this?
Yes, generous
Sure.
No, I don't eat handi. I just love
There
chili.
is that there's non-veg in the
Ah, bas.
no, that is non-veg.
Oh, this is also non-veg.
Is that?
There's dried fish in it.
Oh, I didn't
There's
know.
dried fish in that. I don't.
Maybe
Okay, good. No, I'm happy. No, no, no. No, no, I'm completely non-veg.
what is this? I'll avoid that. Thank you.
Yeah, how you can give it.
That's good taste.
Bamboo
No,
green.
no.
Oh, I'll have.
Generously, do
And
not
adds to
care.
your
There's dried
cholesterol.
fish in it.
That's okay. I have eaten. There's so many things.
Dahi?
Oh, Kiran.
Any of them? I don't know what the difference is between the two, but what? No. I don't want you to push up two katoris for me.
See, I never thought you would have such a feast and so much of non-veg.
Pulled in like influences from all over, and we are getting the feast.
It's not.
No, I had the feeling.
Oh, very nice.
Excellent. Fine. There's so much coming.
Thank you. Thank you.
Acha, this is raita.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा एक फूल और डाल दो.
What is it? Dai.
Bas, thanks.
Huh?
So what is this?
Just
Okay, yeah,
With a little smoke.
Okay.
With some
Oh, what will you
spice.
put?
Terrific.
Yeah, put it.
Very good.
My, what a variety, man.
Cholesterol. DJ? Zyada or
Kya ghee?
और क्या?
I don't think it's as bad as they say it is. From what I read about it
थोड़ा सा
now,
But then one.
like ghee and
Not fond
mustard
of
oil and all are good.
just give me some.
Really? From what the recent mustard oil is supposed to
Yeah,
be
yeah, so much
good,
beef
actually.
and pork and yeah, sure.
Not it amounts.
When she said
So
she's going to ask
chocolates and
people to
cakes,
bring
of course.
food.
Moderate is
Everything
Some
in moderate.
brought?
Yeah, everyone got some food.
Can we
all-
start eating?
No, not food,
We're supposed to
ingredients.
wait.
I've already eaten.
Achha, we can start eating.
Well, I'm eating the karelas. I don't know about everything else.
I love karelas.
This on this.
And
We can begin.
particularly this fried
should we
curry.
ask?
I don't think we should be so afraid. We put food before us.
Okay, I start. Nobody's told me to, but it's all right.
Hello.
As they would say in Punjabi, bon appetit.
Follow me.
In my mother tongue, they say, eat until you are fed up and fulfilled.
Oh, really?
Fulfilled.
How do you say that?
How do you
Can
say
say it in Bangla, please?
Fed up and fulfilled. The teacher of the Bengali teacher of English literature, when he was sort of reading out the opening lines from Shakespeare's Macbeth, his class, that's how it started out. Pyar is foul and foul is pyar. Bar through the fog and the filthy air.
You're almost sounding like Mayra performing Pranav Mukherjee.
I know. Actually, I told her she missed out on some of the best lines that Pranab Babu had given. Because they are a little contentious, but they were true. He caused considerable embarrassment as External Affairs Minister one when at a public meeting he suggested, we want Indian Ocean to be a zone of piss.
Say that again,
Zone of piss.
Piss. Thought
can have
maybe
some of
name comes gunpowder is just and it's made up of what?
Karela hoga.
It's made out of ground spices and dal
Yeah, bas, thanks.
and chili.
Bas, bas.
What I understand, a friend of mine,
Thank
his mother, she's a Tamilian. She sort of introduced me to this long ago, many years ago.
Gunpowder they discussed.
And they call it pori, P-O-R-I, or P-O-D-I.
Which just means powder actually.
Just means powder. Okay.
Thank you.
It just means powder or powdered. So it's actually, he's right. It's roasted chane ki dal, urad ki dal, sabut lal mirch, hing. That's all it is. Thoda rice.
One piece. It's so nice.
It's ground.
You roast it all separately because they all have different roasting techniques. Thanks.
Good stuff. I'm having. I already have quite a bit of it. Thanks.
And you just roast it and actually then you just mix it and then keep it around and then you have it with, depending on the family, like we have it with tilka tel. You don't have it with ghee, but if you go out to Sagar, they'll give it to you with ghee.
But you will have it without it. That's the good part. So if you don't want oil, you will have it with whatever, your idli or your dosa. Or...
Though honestly, because I'm so used to having with til, I feel that that's what is, the swad usse nikalta hai. No matter what you're used to.
I stopped having oil in my food. I try and maintain a zero fat
Really.
meal. And I have this. I love it. I have it just like with whatever.
Like you're having it now, which I do often with curd rice or khichdi or something. There are some karelas if there are some going around. Thank you.
I wouldn't mind that too. That's
Yeah.
wonderful. I love it.
One of my mother's friends has
Though it's-
karela every meal in season.
Though it's deep fried. These
You know,
days, what
karelas
is
are
season?
forgiven everything.
These days, what is season? These days, what is season? What I mean to say,
Yeah, I know.
every single vegetable is available around the year.
Except that
I mean,
it
I've
tastes
had
different.
watermelon and mango in December. And
Yes, I can totally imagine. Don't worry about it. Thanks. No, I remember coming to Delhi, close on 30 years ago, and getting totally freaked out by seeing, matar in the summer and mango in the winter. And I'm like, what is this place? And I'd only come from Lucknow, But, it's really that metropolis phenomenon, right?
I had a
I just started losing track entirely. So now it's only by the shakal, by the taste.
I had a Mosi who used to live in Delhi, and we were based in Kolkata. One of the things we were always invariably asked to bring from Kolkata to Delhi was certain kinds of fruits and vegetables. Parwal,
Potol, of course.
it wasn't easily available here.
Which year is this?
I'm talking about the 60s
Acha.
and
So all this
even the 70s, even the early 70s.
CR Park and all didn't have such a great
CR Park,
veggie.
CR Park
Hardly
didn't
existed.
Didn't exist. No, it's
When
post
did it
7.
happen?
It's
CR
post Bangladesh.
CR
Correct, I
Park
forgot.
happened, that's correct. It really came up in the 70s.
Yeah, it's all back. It's been refugees.
It's called EPDP, no? So East Pakistan Displaced Persons.
As opposed
So,
to the WPD.
yeah.
And
Yes,
the
I
big
remember.
growl that the Bongs had against Meher Chand Khanna,
Yeah.
the Nehru's refugees minister, but that he sort of gave more to quote unquote the WPDPs than the EPDPs.
No, I remember. That's the thing. I remember great grandfather of Origins, who stayed back in Bangladesh much later. He moved to India only 10 years ago. And he came to my house in Karol Bagh. And I remember him saying, he got nothing. So that is a mansion. So I had to tell him
Nere, thanks.
that many families live together in that space. He's like,
You have to justify it.
thank you.
Hello,
I'm overeating.
I'm going to sin a bit. Come, give me a small bit.
Yeah, it's very good. It's actually, if you can.
A very small. No, that's too much. Cut the oil out. Give me a piece of the. That's right. One small piece.
Thank you.
And nobody's
Very
going
nice.
It's almost like an achar, this pork.
No, it is like an
Pickled
achar.
and
It is
the
an
meat
achar.
is. No wonder it was cooked yesterday. It would be better the next day. See, basically the
Oh,
flavors
yeah, it's very much like that.
like that, no? The way biryani and all these things get better than.
If you ever been up to Simla, beyond Kalka, there were
There is
these
a-
achar,
Yeah, right.
chicken and butter and all
Yes,
that.
yes.
That's correct.
I still remember the first time I
Floating
saw that
in
being
oil.
totally being taken aback because I grew up in such a vegetarian household. I didn't even know they make meat ka achar because my general knowledge about meat was really, really low. So
I
the
have
first
enough
it's a
happening here.
pickled achar.
Thanks.
I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
I think it was in the Pahad. It was in that stretch. And then of course I went to Kerala. And then you see more of it. So then of course, then it's not that first shock, right?
The people who live in Punjab, they often, many of them, will, in the house also, there will be people who pickle and I'm talking of kheti badi wale. and I think the ones who got West, the Brit thing. Because otherwise, a lot of rural Punjabis, they are vegetarians.
Actually, I was surprised. I didn't realize how deeply vegetarian Punjab is.
Most
It is
Indians
very-
are vegetarian, most of them.
Yeah.
In the coastal areas,
Depends
people
the
eat
tribe.
a lot of fish. In places like Bengal,
Oh,
where there's a lot of
Adivasi areas. But
Yeah.
actually, I think,
But I'm
for
saying-
instance, I feel as though, we talk about tile and insects and
Yes.
all that. I think
I wouldn't mind a
nature
bit.
in India also. I think.
All good, I'm done. Thanks. But I found there's another sort of, it's also sometimes it's just rich poor kind of thing doesn't always do it. It's also a matter of
There
what
are
you're
things. They're very
like I
it's a
find a
complex
lot of
thing.
people who are in the corporate world,
You know,
whether they're young or old, perforce become more adventurous about food
Yeah,
and political news, and whether they're actually interested in any of this or not. Because it's very important for them to be able to take to a meeting, take to a socializing moment after, before you clinch a deal. I mean, it's really, I mean, I watched it happen with some close friends who are like extremely conservative about what they eat or what they do or whether they like to travel or not. But it's all part of the things you should know. It's like that joke about page 3 people who read the synopsis of a book online then so that they can
talk
natter about it over a drink. It's actually that phenomenon. So we know, I like Vietnamese, no, we're not quite Thai. So you can do this.
And I like single malts, and I like wine.
So that kind of thing.
and as they travel, they come. I know people eat pigeons in India, but I've never had an opportunity to eat pigeons. Yeah, I've eaten potato. But in China,
But it is kind of partridge, no? It's not a, it's not,
but I had pigeon for the first time when I went to China.
No, what is Titar then?
Teeter is pheasant.
But that's
Things always go together. In our heads, it's always Titar and Bater.
वही तो आती है
आगे तीतर पीछे तीतर बोलो कि
Correct.
डाब को तो हम पंजाबी में कुग्गी बोलते हैं
and you'll have it.
डाब
Which is the white one.
yeah, the smaller thing that looks like a pigeon but is not. It's a dove. Pigeons are very common.
Yeah.
They're almost like a problem.
They are a problem. They're filthy and they have unpleasant sound. They're cute.
Pigeons.
But people eat
Pigeons should eat. People should eat pigeons.
They should.
Not as a major tradition, but they do. They eat it.
It would be such a, it would be many birds with one stone.
No, but then
all the time.
is it cuisine for the poor that they cannot get anything else?
Yeah,
I
I
never
think so.
heard anybody.
No, I think it is something like that. Yeah. I know young boys in college and all, they used to just go
That
A lot of people are
get one and
saying.
eat it.
A lot of people are saying that stuff that tribals eat in different parts of the world, in
Yeah.
Australia, in Africa, are going to become very important as sources for protein in the world. These include insects
Yeah.
like ants.
One thing that somebody was talking about, do you know Manisha Behl, Northeast Network? I think she was telling me, she said, Nagaland, many parts of the Northeast, particularly Nagaland and tribal zones, there's overhunting. Till the creatures, the wild creatures are dying due to a lack of, people are over culling. So actually again, you don't have any other kind of food. There's no other ideas that the sarkar has to give in terms of.
But
What are
to
people
take
gonna
the flip point of what Paranja was talking about, I was doing this film on food actually, on issues of food practice and identity, and what is vilified, what is celebrated, and how close it is to your own identity of, who embraces the identity that's associated with food and who has to work against it. So obviously at the other end of the spectrum, on one end of the spectrum I was looking at fancy design houses and, marketing places which are called things like turmeric and pure ghee, and that's one end of it. And bands like Avial in a way trying to make a regional identity and asserting that.
Yeah.
And then of course there's the whole Naga question and
I
questions
just
around that.
realized something. If you go into the studies, and there's a very interesting book that's been written by a person of Indian origin called Raj Patel. He has traveled across the world, and it's called Stuffed and Starved.
Oh yeah, I've
Stuffed and starved.
Stuffed and starved, yeah.
He really talks about the food economy and the food business. And to put it very crudely, I tell people, what's the difference between the world's largest democracy and the world's oldest democracy? I said, in the world's largest democracy, 1 out of 4 people still go to bed hungry, or they don't have enough to eat. In the world's oldest democracy, 2 out of 3 people consider themselves to be overweight. And this is the US government's health department or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
So point that you realize is that the amount of food that people waste, the whole packaging, the food packaging business, how you are deliberately lured to buy more than you need. You know, that's what the Walmarts of the world
They're very
try and do.
vulnerable to
And if
glitter
you
now
take,
at
you know,
every age.
we have friends, they're both doctors from Delhi, and Ina is a thin little woman, she's so slim, but went to stay in her house with these two gigantic fridges, and the whole thing was stuffed with food, frozen food, this, that, you know, and Rita is a cousin and a friend. I said, but Ina, what is this? Nene, you know, sometimes you feel insecure.
It's compulsive.
I have two grown-up boys.
it's psychological.
They might want to
My
have
somebody
something.
may come and
Somebody might.
eat.
This is
There were these
extraordinary
ice creams in the
phenomenon.
freezer. No,
This-
I just
if you
met a
look at
cousin
what
of
is happening
origin.
across the
Young
globe,
people from they live abroad.
it's never been a problem of production.
She's married to
of
an
food.
American guy.
It's
She's lived
always
there.
been a problem of
He spent
distribution
2
of food
days
and
with that.
reaching it
You
to the
get
people
up in the
and what
morning,
Amartya
start
Sen and
with
others call the
Just bottle water
entitlement.
because it's hot. It was Hyderabad.
You know,
hot.
you may have,
But,
like as in the Bengal
not
family,
healthy.
you
They
still
were
have
not.
that
They don't
problem.
have.
Your food in the
Whereas
go-downs,
they're getting a
but
lot
not
of
enough
satisfaction.
for people.
No, I don't know. Some
What I used to hear in America long ago is mountains of butter.
That's
Very
correct.
was
strange.
produced,
They're not-
and they
Lake-
would
that
let
water
it
about the
Lakes of
garbage
wine and mountains of
Where it
butter.
goes
And
is
I
a
The
couldn't
where it
understand.
goes is the question. I think in the US, particularly the progressive law,
You know,
for
it's
instance,
very
they don't pack the
interesting
food.
that
Actually, a lot of
affects
people,
the
the one thing
economy.
about
Yes,
US
there
is
is
if
some
you go to the
logic in
Frankie's
that,
place,
yes.
they'll ask you whether you want the rest of the
And
wine
then
that's in the bottle. They
two
will give
very
you food.
bizarre
They
stories
don't do
that
earned it because
these
they have
guys
a Banyan country.
It's
a
They
mix of
respect for
wine.
your dollar as well.
Lakes of wine.
You know, so I find that
Mountains
this
of butter
just
and
this
lakes of wine.
narrative of
Achha,
less than
they come
wasteful
together.
is not enough because it puts us on this very Suljawa platform.
People like Devendra
Whereas I
Sharma
think
are
really
not
fucked up on this.
calculated.
No, I think so. We are totally fucked up.
But the whole
The
waste thing, they
neoliberal
spend so much
economic
time separating. So I'm like,
theorists,
jata kahan?
They tell you, you know,
I did not find.
so much
I
of
spent 10
subsidies,
months there. I did not
bad
know
food,
where
bad
I'm the most
tolling, giving them
progressive,
tolls.
Yeah.
knowledgeable.
They won't be
You know, they have a critique of everything. They
But the
cannot tell you
amount
where
of
their garbage
subsidy
goes.
that's given by the West